Adobe Illustrator free download. In this video, we're going to show you the quick and easy way to download the legal version of Adobe Illustrator. To get started, head down and click the link in the description down below. This is going to take you across to the official Adobe website. Select your country and then head up to the top left-hand side, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, we're going to select Illustrator. Now you can check all the amazing features you get access to inside of Adobe Illustrator. For us to get the download of Illustrator, we're going to click on the free trial button. Then we're going to choose between Illustrator only and the Creative Cloud Pro option. In the Creative Cloud Pro option, you get access to all the apps from Adobe, including Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Lightroom, and all the other great apps. So we're going to go with the Creative Cloud Pro option. Then we're going to choose a subscription. We can go monthly, annual build monthly, or annual prepaid. The annual build monthly is obviously going to be cheaper, but remember that fees do apply if you decide to cancel before the end of the year. So we like to go with the monthly option, and then we can cancel at any time with no fee. We're going to add in the 7-day free trial to Adobe stock because you get 10 free standard assets, and you can cancel it if you want to before the trial ends. Then click on the blue continue button. Then we're going to enter our email address, double check the figures, and check that your due now is in fact 0. So you're getting access to the free trial. And then check the date that your 7-day free trial ends. Once you've checked all of this, enter your payment information to activate the free trial. And then the Creative Cloud app will download on your Mac or your PC. And you can download Illustrator inside the Creative Cloud app. If you get stuck anywhere along the way or you have any questions about the Adobe Illustrator download, let us know in the comment section down below and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy Illustrator as much as we do.